Good morning, students. I hope you all are well. So, as we were reading kinds of pronouns, in earlier classes we have already discussed about personal pronouns and possessive pronouns. So, once I get to recall, what is personal pronouns? What is personal pronouns? A word which is used for particular person, animals or things. That is called personal pronouns. And we have already read about first person, second person and third person, and how we use subjective pronouns and objective pronouns. Now next, possessive pronoun. What is possessive pronouns? Words which are talk about possession, or you can say ownership. It means it indicates something belongs to someone, that are called possessive pronouns. For example, mine, ours, his, hers, etc., etc. These are called possessive pronouns. Now we have next demonstrative pronouns. So what is demonstrative pronouns? Let's see. Demonstrative pronouns are words which use to point at objects or people. Demonstrative pronouns are words which point out people or things, or animals also. Once again, demonstrative pronouns are words which point out person, animals or things. It includes this, that, these, those. This, that, these, those. So this, that, these, those are demonstrative pronouns. And as you know, this is used for near and that is used for far. And what is the plural of this? It's these. And what is the plural of that? It's those. And as well as you know, this is also used for near and those is also used for far. Have you cleared? So now let me see some examples of demonstrative pronouns. First, these are my friends. Suppose that here is sitting some students. Okay, here sitting some students, and someone tells, these are my friends. These are my friends. So these point out people. These point out the people. So these demonstrative pronoun. Those are my sister's friend. Suppose that some people sat there. Suppose that some people sat there and the person is telling, those are my sister's friend. Those are. So which word point out? Those. Which word point out? Those. So those is demonstrative pronouns. Those is demonstrative pronouns. Now next, that is the song we sang. That is the song we sang. So that that indicates which song they sang. Here that indicates, that point out the song. So that is the sang we sang. So that is demonstrative pronoun. Now next, that is Peter's house. That is Peter's house. So that is also demonstrative pronouns. This is our emergency shelter. This is our emergency shelter. So this also point out the emergency shelter. So here this demonstrative pronouns. So what you have observed, this, that, these, those are demonstrative pronouns, and these demonstrative pronouns point out any people, animals or things. I hope you must have cleared about demonstrative pronouns. So we will see in next class with next topic. Goodbye. Have a nice day.